I'm about to make the easiest and best tasting shrimp scampi you've ever had. I'm Chef Chris here at the Beacon Kitchen, home for the Fisherman's Dock. Let's get into it. First and foremost, the most important ingredient, fresh, local shrimp from the Fisherman's Dock. Unsalted butter, always unsalted. Lemon, wine, garlic, shallots, herbs, parsley, basil, thyme, and last but not least, always Parmesan cheese. Fresh garlic, very important when making shrimp scampi. A pound with the knife. A chop, and we're good to go. We add our onions, sautéing until translucent. Our garlic. Next, we're gonna add our shrimp, fresh from the Fisherman's Dock. Turn the heat. Fresh lemons. Just the juice. Most important thing about cooking shrimp is to not overcook them. As with any seafood, 2 to 3 minutes until the shrimp turn pink and they're done. Next, we add our butter and let it melt. Season with fresh cracked pepper and sea salt. When working with seafood, be very careful about using table salt, as it is much saltier. That sounded like a robot. Next, we'll add our fresh herbs. Plate and serve, always best with crusty ciabatta bread. Helps to soak up the last flavors of butter and garlic that sit at the bottom of the plate. Last but not least, Parmesan cheese. Shrimp scampi. Quick, simple, easy for anyone.